Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the app and OS are current. Outdated builds cause odd layer behavior. Next, open your project and confirm resolution and aspect ratio match your source footage because mismatches break previews. Once done, check Kinemaster's layer limits and enable hardware acceleration in settings. This often fixes rendering stalls. Then import a 5-10 second test clip and add one layer to validate that controls appear. If controls vanish, proceed to step 2 for deeper troubleshooting. Now you isolate the issue by disabling all layers except the suspect. This reveals if composite interactions cause the problem. Make sure to reset that layer's scale, rotation, anchor point, and opacity to defaults because corrupted transform data hides controls. Remove any third-party assets or heavy effects on that layer. Replace them with a plain clip to retest. Then export a short segment to confirm the layer renders correctly outside the editor. If it renders, gradually reapply effects to find the offender. To finish, recreate a corrupted layer by adding a fresh layer and copying only the needed attributes. Avoid importing problematic effects or overlays wholesale. If UI handles still fail, clear Kinemaster's cache, restart your device, and reinstall the app. This resolves many hidden state issues. Make sure to export a final copy before deleting the original project. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems recur, open the exported file to confirm final output. That determines if the issue is editor-only or affects the rendered video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.